Comprehensive estate planning is when you count your blessings and determine how you're going to share them with the people you love. Comprehensive estate planning is more than a will, more than powers of attorney, but it covers everything you own, everything you're interested in, and how you're going to get them from your estate or just from yourself at any time to your heirs. Let's just take something very simple. I have a cousin who has a close friend who died of cancer, and it's been a couple years and she's still on LinkedIn. And so I see when I boot up a LinkedIn page people I might know, and she's one of them. That's not something we really want to have happen. And in comprehensive estate planning, we'd at least cover that so somebody'd have it on the checklist. Do this and get it done. So that's not a major thing, but it's something that most people are they realize that's something they wouldn't want to have happen to them. So let's talk about the most important things. In comprehensive estate planning, yes, there is a will, and the will determines what happens to assets that are in your possession on your day of death. You also have powers of attorney, and those powers of attorney allow your heirs and your loved ones to take care of your affairs if you're incapacitated. And I hate saying this, but most people will be incapacitated for at least a brief period of time before they die. So those are two big things. But there are other things to look at. A lot of people have more assets in, say, a retirement fund or a stock fund or a mutual fund than they have in their real estate or something else. Those things pass out of the will, so we want to make sure that the beneficiaries in those things are named and that those beneficiaries named are coordinated with the beneficiaries in the will. The same is true for life insurance. People will marry a second time late in life, and instead of naming the new wife as the heir in a will, they'll put together an insurance policy for that. So there are reasons to do that. There's another reason why people call about comprehensive estate planning. Let's just say you have a child or a grandchild that has a spouse that you don't like or trust. Well, you might want to have some provisions in your will and in your estate plan to take care of that child or grandchild and make sure the spouse you distrust can't get hands on those assets. So there are all kinds of reasons to do this. Please give us a call. We can help you plan.